Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am going to be giving you my wash day portion of my silk press at home. Yeah, I am just in the mood for straight hair, so that is what we are going to do. I have been doing this hot oil treatment since about 2:30. I oiled my hair and scalp, covered it with that plastic bag. Well, for the last hour I sat with my heated cap on, so the hair has been marinating. I'm about to grab all of my products and we can move this thing to the shower and get this started. During a typical wash day, I like to make sure my hair is saturated with water, but that is especially true on these wash days where I'm doing hot oil treatments. If you haven't seen my fluffy braid out video, that was the hair prior to this wash day. So now I'm just going in with my Peptide Prep, the pH maintenance shampoo from K18, and cleansing my hair. And you already know that the main focus here is this scalp. I have a shampoo brush now. I didn't at the time that I recorded this video, and it just really likes to get in there and get everything off my scalp. And I feel like these hot oil treatments are conditioning my scalp and making my wash day a lot better. For my first cleanse, I really do like to take my time, make sure I'm getting the hair and the strands, because I want to make sure I'm getting all of the oil off of my hair, especially because I'm going into a silk press. We want to make sure everything is off the hair, and I really am focusing on my scalp. But y'all know I'm gonna go in for a second cleanse, but the first cleanse is the longest. Cleanse everything from the rooter to the tutor with this shampoo. And so once I feel like I have worked it in, I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna take my time. Even though I am gonna cleanse again, I like to make sure I'm getting all of the shampoo out. Is it just me, or do y'all do that too? I don't know. But either way, if you can see, because I feel like the lighting isn't that great, you can see like how defined my curls are. You can see that like my hair is elongated. I feel like it's holding in a lot more moisture, and I really think it's because I've been treating my hair really well in this season. So as I go in for my second cleanse, you will notice that this has much more lather, which also means that my hair is a little cleaner. You don't get as much lather when you have more dirt on your hair. I'm sure if you watch my channel, you already know that, but if you're new here, pay attention to those things. Now, I have to make sure that I'm getting my kitchen, because I feel like I neglect it sometimes, so I'm really making sure that I'm getting in there. What I really like about this pH maintenance shampoo is that I can use this multiple times and it doesn't feel like it's stripping my hair. It's not necessarily the most moisturizing, but it leaves my hair feeling really clean without it feeling stripped, and that is really important to me. And I know it's not stripping the color out of my hair, so that is why I reached for this shampoo for this wash day. And now that my hair is freshly cleansed, we're feeling like weight. I feel like I have a clean slate. I feel like the coils are looking good. I reached for my microfiber towel because I want to get all of the water, not necessarily out of my hair, but for what I'm gonna do next, I need to do it on damp hair. So this is the best way for me to soak up quote unquote moisture, because it's been about 4 or 5 weeks at this point since I've colored my hair and I haven't done a dedicated treatment. So it was time that I pulled out my K18 and did a quick little treatment. If you're new here and haven't seen me use K18, I have dedicated videos, but really quick, I take 1 pump per section. I kind of warm it up, I spread it out, and honestly, I feel like this is too much product for the 1 section, so I'm gonna start using less than a whole pump. I'm just trying to figure it out, because we know the price of K18, and if I can use less and get the same effect, then that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But I make sure that I am getting like the entire hair strand. I want to make sure like the line of demarcation is really being nurtured and taken care of since I bleached my hair. So I want to make sure pretty much my entire strand is going to feel the benefits of this treatment. You only have to wait 4 minutes for this to work completely. So by the time I finish the 4 sections, I'm ready to deep condition my hair. I pulled out my spray bottle and my Briogeo avocado superfruit mask. I believe that's what it's called. And I like to make sure my hair is soaking wet. When it comes to using a mask like this, which it's heavy for it to be a Briogeo mask, but like water is most important. You don't really need more conditioner, you need more water in order to get this mask to spread. So keep that in mind. If you don't really like it and you feel like it's kind of hard, just add more water. But I covered my hair, I let it sit, and we continued with this process. We are back in the shower to rinse this conditioner out. I didn't add any heat. I just covered my hair and I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. I wasn't trying to do anything extra for that step, but y'all. Okay, so I did one extra step. It was really quick, but this is something that I have only tried once and I wanted to try it again for this wash day. So as you can see, I am towel drying my hair once again because I'm gonna go in with the Amika Flash Mask. As all of the videos that I saw, everyone applied it directly to the hair using the nozzle, but I'm not that coordinated. So I needed to put this in my hands and then apply it to my hair because I wanted to make sure I was getting it from root to tip like it is instructed. You are supposed to use this as the final step in your wash day, and it's really just supposed to cut down on frizz and help add shine, which I feel like a lot of texture people really struggle with, and I just wanted to see what this would do for my coils. I'm not sure if you can tell from the video, but as I'm applying it, you can see my curls are so defined. They're weighed down with hydration from me already shampooing and conditioning, but as I'm applying this mask, I can just see that my hair is elongated and already defined. So as I'm rinsing it out and looking back at this video, I am honestly amazed because look at this definition. Like, there is literally no frizz in Fred. I never see my hair look like this just after washing and conditioning. So I think going forward, if I'm just doing a quick wash day, like just a shampoo and a regular conditioner, not necessarily a treatment mask or even deep conditioning, I can see myself incorporating this into my routine on a regular basis simply to cut down on frizz, especially if I'm going into a wash and go. And I'm sorry y'all, I got so caught up in how good my hair looks. You only need to leave this mask on for 60 seconds and then you can rinse it out. But this is what my hair looks like after we have rinsed everything out. I feel like we are properly prepped and we can now move on to blow drying my hair before we straighten it. Y'all, it's 9:10, but we're gonna get this done tonight. So my hair is damp, and to blow dry and straighten my hair, I want to use the Just Glaze. I think the first time that I used the Doux press play system, I used silent treatment. So today I want to try this silkening fluid, which is supposed to last a few wash days, and we're gonna use OPP before I go in with my straightener. But yes, my hair looks so good. I don't know, do you think it has a shine? I just feel like my hair looks very, okay, there, it looks a little darker. It looks very orange. But yeah, all right, let's get into this. How do I want to do this? I want to put my hair in 4 sections. I try not to put my hair in the same sections all the time, but girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Let's dampen this just a little bit. We're gonna start on the other side, so just, you know, let this marinate over here. I'm gonna apply I'm not gonna go in with the whole pump. We're gonna go in with that much per section because I just feel like these products are so concentrated that I feel like a little probably goes a long way. So that is all we are going to do to coat this section. And you also don't want your hair to be weighed down when you're doing a silk press. Oh wow, look at how easy it is to detangle my hair. Blow drying detangled hair is my new favorite thing. So Thank you to everyone who has encouraged me to detangle my hair. I've come a long way. Okay, so I feel like that's good. Oh, those fresh ends. Oh my goodness. If that don't encourage you to go get your ends trimmed, I don't know what will, you know? Go see your stylist. She misses you. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue this throughout these other sections, and then we'll come back and blow dry. Shouldn't take long at all though. Okay, so now that I have all of my sections detangled, we're gonna go in and blow dry. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, like, this is the best blowout. I say that, I feel like I say that every time I use the press play system, but honestly, nothing else allows me to get my hair like this flowy when I blow my hair out. You know what I mean? Like, it always still kind of fluffs out, but this, for me, is a good blowout. So now I'm going to grab my straightener, let it heat up, and also try and find my fine tooth comb. Now I'm gonna go in with OPP one pass press heat protection spray. I need to spray this lightly, and I'm really only going to do one pass, and I'm gonna try and straighten my hair on 365. Just because, you know, like, I want to keep Fred in order. I want to see how straight I can get it using less heat. So that's what we're gonna try today. It's the way I act. It's so crazy. This looks reminiscent of almost 3 years ago at this point, when I did my like straight hair routine. That video is in the description box down below, but my hair looks almost exactly the same, except I've used completely different products, and oh my goodness, 365, y'all. So I'm not gonna end this video here. I'm probably going to just wrap my hair tonight, and then tomorrow I plan on curling it, so I will come back and wrap this video up tomorrow. All right, here's my hair the next day. I put a little curl in it. Excuse this box, I just finished filming the Sephora haul video, but let's talk about my hair. Once again, I'm going to repeat that I have never at home straightened my hair on anything less than like 410, like ever. So for me, to get my hair to look like this. Now it's not fall off the bone. I'm not a fall off the bone girl because I love my curls, but this is so good. This is very workable. Like this, I love this. If I could do this once a month, every 2 to 3 weeks, just get my hair this straight with one pass on 365, I would be so confident in my hair reverting. Like, I would have no doubt in my mind that my hair would revert at 360, you know, like once I washed it. So I feel like everything that I use, from my wash day to heat protectants, everything just really worked really well together. I think my hair is in a really good place. We're almost a month into it being colored. You can see it's already growing out just a bit, but I am very happy with my results. And I feel like that was kind of like a high-low situation when it came to the price of the products. So it's not always necessarily that the more expensive a product is that it's going to work better, but there are just certain things that I don't play about when it comes to my hair. And typically it is how I shampoo and condition. Like, I will always spend money on really good shampoos and conditioners, but the Doux really does it. Like, just glaze made my hair feel so incredibly soft. I already knew what OPP was giving because I've played around with it so much, and Dew Drops is like the perfect like setting spray. It just seals everything together. And I actually sprayed just a little bit more before I curled my hair today. I didn't use any hairspray to kind of hold the curls, so they are falling, but at this point you've seen me straighten my hair at home numerous amount of times, and y'all kind of know the vibe. So yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Share with me what you guys are using for your silk presses or to straighten your hair, or if you even straighten your hair. Is there any such thing as silk press season? For me, no, it's not. I'm gonna straighten my hair whenever I feel like it. Anywho, I could sit here and ramble all night. This video is long enough at this point. Thank you all so very much for watching. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.